guys, today I have this. It's slime, it's smoothie slime, super gooey, and it's Nickelodeon slime. So let's open this. Okay, so we got the we have the foam beads and the little cotton ball. So yeah. And then we have this that unscrews. Okay, now we got this, which we're gonna open. See, have to open this. Super hard. It's not opening. Do I have anything in here that might be strong enough? I don't know. Okay. It's not working. It's not opening. Why won't this open? Okay. Why won't this? Maybe that is because it pauses everything. Okay, I'm back, and I got this open. Now let's do this. Ooh, there's some slime right there. 1 second, I forgot to close this. Okay, there. Now we can just get that slime. Just then put that there. And then get all that slime off of there. Putting all that, trying to get all that slime off my fingers. I don't know about you, but I'm the kind of person who doesn't really like stuff all over me. So yeah. So just trying to get all these off. Be back with you whenever I get all these off. Okay, I'm back. And I still don't have a lot of my fingers, but it will be okay. So this is the color. And now we're gonna get all of this off out of here. that out. If it'll all come out. Wait. I don't know if this is... It's not working, if it is what I think it's for. But it's not, I don't think. Okay. Anyways, we have this slime. Okay. Pretty good slime. I really like it. Now let's see if we can make a bubble, which I have already done this attempt, and it did not do it. So we're about to see if it's gonna do it. And I can't get the rest of the slime out of here, so okay, well, nope, didn't work. Well, it's really cute. It's like hot pink. And it's a good poking sound. Listen. Yeah, yes. And I made a little bubble, but I forgot to show it on camera, so sorry. And let's take a little piece out and show you it. It's really good. And I don't know if you guys are ready, but I think we're gonna split this in half real quick and put some, well, we're gonna put some foam beads in one side, and if I like it, I'm gonna put the rest in the other side. So we're about to see if I like it or not. So that sticks. So I have no idea why this is in here. Okay. Now let's open this. Now let's see. I'm gonna put all these in this one. Okay. Really cool. I think I'm gonna get all the slime with all the beads in there. There's them on the bed. Put those in there, put that in there. Get those in here. Okay. Should we put the other pack of foam beads in here? If we should, comment down below. If you can comment. Sometimes my comments are on, and sometimes they're not. So if you can comment, comment down below. And if you can't, I'm gonna make my decision. So see you whenever I make my decision. Okay, I made a decision, and my decision is putting the rest of the foam beads in here. So first, let's take all this off and get the rest of the foam beads that are in here. they're gonna go in. I don't know if they will. There we go. Okay. So this is what the slime looks like now. We're gonna put some more plum beads in there. So, yeah. Okay. Ready? Okay. We got all the foam beads on here. It's so cool. I thought a foam bead got out, but guess not. No. I think we got some slime on the bed. I'm just kidding. There was some, but it just came right off. So, yeah. Let's see if it'll. There we go. It made a bubble for a split second, but. Getting all this slime stuff off. There's some foam bead. There's a foam bead, and there's another foam bead. It's really cool. Okay, well, I'm gonna play with the slime, and I'll see you in the next video. I'll see you in the next video. Yo. Just kidding. But I will see you in the next video. Bye.